If you love Hermes, you will love this unboxing. Today is over the moon, over the dream unboxing just for you guys. Please stay with me. Hello ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much for clicking on this video. My name is Oksana, and if you're into luxury, if you're into fashion, if you're into Hermes, please consider subscribing to my channel. And today is very special unboxing. I want you to guess what I got, Birkin or Kelly. Please put your comments below. I will wait a little bit, and then obviously we will see in few minutes what I got. I got the very first dream bag from Hermes, and I got it directly from the boutique. Thank you very much to my sales associate, because I was literally at the point when I was ready to buy resale, especially from the fashion file. I already put like bunch of handbags into my wish list at the fashion file, and then he surprised me with this. But if you want to know once again my story, how much I spent at the boutique, and this is specifically Toronto boutique in Canada, once again put your comments below and I will do another video, my story, how I got this special bag. But today is just unboxing. And I got also a couple of Twillys for this handbag. So anyway, but I will do the Twillys after. I want to really go ahead and unbox with you this beauty, guys, right away. So let me, I hopefully will do this as graciously as possible. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. So I hope it shows in camera. All right. So there is also extra tag over here, and I will share the price as well, because I always, especially when it comes to Hermes, it's very hard to get much information about Hermes online. So, and I will share with you price, guys. Ta-da-da! Okay, I'm upside down. Ta-da-da! Okay. One of those boxes, you know, when you get a proper pillow, the raincoats, the booklets, everything is here. And here's the moment of truth. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. I was like, I actually got this bag yesterday, but I was so over the moon. I thought I couldn't film anything, because I would have otherwise jumping up and down in front of the camera and make a fool of myself. Anyway, let me introduce you. This is Kelly 28 Salier. It means more structured, in Epsom leather with the gold hardware. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh. It's funny also, the mornings that I receive a phone call, my sales associate goes like, oh Oksana, I have a bag for you, but there is something. And I'm like, oh my gosh, what it could be? There is something. He goes, it's a black with gold hardware, because he knows that I have my Hermes 2424 in black and gold hardware. And I'm like, okay. I was like thinking like maybe it's another Hermes 2424. He goes, it's a Kelly. I was like, ah! So anyway, let me just unfasten these sandals. Let me just, because it's like, the plastic all over this handbag. Obviously it's a brand new. Oh, it's not that easy actually, because the plastic is all over. So let me remove this. I have to remove all those plastics because they're really on the way. All right, so there is couple of dust bags inside. One of the dust bag, it's a strap, and the second dust bag, it's lock and a clochette. So let me just put lock and a clochette on the bag. actually my essay, when I talked to him, he suggested that I don't really like, you know, leave the lock like that, because he goes, eventually you're gonna get some scratches on the bag, and obviously I don't want that. And let me put the strap, and I will show to you, you know, the actual unboxing inside the store, because I asked my essay if I can videotape, and he said yes, of course. So anyway, let me just put this strap on. I'm so excited. There you go, guys. It's an absolute perfection. It's an absolute perfection. Once again, let me just come a little bit closer to the camera. You can see there is still a bunch of plastics everywhere, you know, on this hook. Like, I have to obviously remove all those plastics. And by the way, guys, in the newer bags, they don't put a stamp on these sandals, they put the stamp inside. So, and that's how it looks like inside. It's obviously very, very roomy. As I said, the outside leather, it's a black epsom, and inside it's a black goat skin. So this is my beauty. So very, very excited. And I got a couple of Twillies, because I already have 4 Hermes Twillies in my collection. One kind of light with the pink color. There is one kind of bluish yellowish, it's obviously the summer one, and there is a couple of them kind of in red orangey color, and another one is like really dark burgundy color. So these two, they're more neutral. I thought, like, if I wanna, you know, use with this handbag something more neutral and not as flashy. So the first one, it's this kind of blue and beige color. Like, let me just actually focus. So this is the first one, kind of blue and beige. And what I love also on this specific Twillies, and lately I into this kind of Twillies, when at the end you have just the one, let me just once again focus, when at the end you have this little writing in Hermes. So when you do it around your handle, you just see that, just a little touch where it says Hermes. So let me obviously remove the tag. It's gonna get a little bit of time for me to do this. I'm obviously gonna speed this up. It took me a little bit of time. I guess I have to work on. I usually am very, very good with Twillies. I guess maybe because I'm nervous, it doesn't look right, or at least it doesn't look the way I want it to be looking. So here you go, guys. This is the first Twilly. It's kind of has black, gray, and the blue, little bit of kind of light beige color. So it's very, very neutral, obviously. So absolutely perfect with this handbag if I don't want to be flashy. So this is the Twilly number 1. And the second Twilly is once again very close. It's neutral as well, but it has a little bit more combination of all these colors that on this handbag. So obviously it's a black, it's a gold hardware, so there is a gold over here and a little bit of blue. So once again, there is another Twilly which could be absolutely perfect with this handbag, because I want to have 2 Twillys that kind of more neutral, not flashy, if I want this handbag to be neutral looking. So there you go, guys. So this is my new hermeskelly 28 in epsom leather, black color with the gold hardware. Absolutely love it, absolutely love it. If you have any questions, once again, do not hesitate. Please, you know, put all your questions and comments below, and I will definitely answer them. I'm gonna also include my modeling shots. I'm assuming that during this all my rambling somewhere, it's already my modeling shots. So I absolutely love this handbag. Oh, by the way, guys, I almost done with the video, and I promise you that I'm gonna share the price, because I know it's absolutely impossible to get real prices. So this handbag Kelly 28 Epsom leather Salier with the gold hardware. I pay $11,400 Canadian before taxes, and then we have 13% taxes on top of that. So I'm gonna put the final price right there at the bottom of the screen. Thank you. Let's continue with the video. Before I'm gonna say goodbye, I want to mention once again about my giveaway. It's Ana Luisa jewelries, it's earrings, and I'm gonna put in the description box below all the information what you have to do to enter into my giveaway. It's very simple, guys, but there is a specific video about those earrings and my giveaway, so I'm gonna link that video in the description box below. Please watch it. Today, in fact, I'm wearing my ring. I will show it to you. This is the ring that I got also from Ana Luisa. Absolutely love it. And if you want to buy, guys, anything from Ana Luisa, there is a 10% discount code. It's OxanaLV 10. Once again, I'm gonna link all the information in the description box below. So thank you very much, guys, for watching. I hope you like my unboxing. I'm kind of like all over in this video. I guess maybe I'm overexcited, a little bit nervous, I guess. So I'm kind of all over the place, and I can feel that I'm all over the place. So I know that I want to say so many different things, but it's like, you know, it doesn't click right now in my head because I'm all over the place right now. Anyway, if you like the video, please don't forget to give me thumbs up. If you enjoy my channel in general, please consider subscribing. And I guess until our next meeting, bye bye.